Hello, everyone. Today we are talking about the word would. It is very common in English.
Yes, we use would to be polite. It helps our sentences sound soft and friendly.
For example, you can say, I want coffee, but it sounds more polite to say, I would like coffee.
That's right. We often use would like when we order food or ask for something.
You can also ask politely. For example, would you like some tea?
Or, would you help me, please? This sounds kind and respectful.
We can also use would to talk about imaginary situations.
Yes. For example, I would travel the world if I had more money.
So remember, would is useful for polite requests and imaginary ideas.
It is simple but very important in daily English.
In the next part, we will practice more real-life examples.
Stay with us and keep learning English step by step.
Jack, I'm a little hungry. I would like something sweet.
Me too. I would like some chocolate cake. It sounds nice.
Would you like tea or coffee with it?
I would like coffee, please. What about you?
I would like tea. Hot tea would be perfect.
Would you like to sit by the window? The view is nice.
Yes, I would love that. It would be very relaxing.
If we had more time, I would stay here longer.
Me too. I would read a book and enjoy the quiet place.
This is why I like using would. It sounds calm and polite.
Yes, it makes conversations softer and more friendly. Jack, would you help me carry this bag? It is heavy.
Of course, I would be happy to help you.
Thank you. Would you like some water after that?
Yes, I would like a glass of water, please.
Here you go. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you, but I would like to rest for a minute.
That's a good idea. I would rest too if I were tired.
If I had a car, I would drive us home now.
That would be nice. We would arrive very quickly.
Would is great for polite offers and imagined situations.
Yes, and we use it every day in real conversations. Let's review how we use would. It is very simple.
First, we use would like to be polite. For example, I would like some water.
Second, we use would for polite questions. Like, would you like to join us?
Third, we use would for imaginary situations. For example, I would live near the sea if I could.
The structure is easy. Would plus base verb.
For example, would go, would eat, would help, would travel.
It does not change for I, you, he, or they. It always stays would.
That makes it very easy to learn and use.
Just remember, polite, soft, and sometimes imaginary.
Yes, that is the power of would.
Jack, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I would go to Italy. I would eat pizza every day.
That sounds fun. I would visit Japan. I would love to see the culture.
Would you travel alone or with friends?
I would travel with friends. It would be more fun together.
Yes, I agree. Traveling alone would feel a little lonely.
Would you try new food there?
Of course, I would try everything at least once.
That would be an amazing experience.
Yes, dreams and plans sound nicer with would.
Today, we learned how to use would in everyday English.
We use it to be polite, to make offers, and to talk about imaginary situations.
We practiced real conversations like ordering, helping, and dreaming.
Now you can say things like, I would like, would you help me? And I would travel.
Try using would today in your daily conversations.
Practice speaking slowly and clearly. That would really help your English.
Thank you for listening and learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English podcasts.
Also, tell us in the comments, what would you like to do this weekend?
See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep speaking.
Bye, everyone.